If you wake up in the morning and you're short on time, the first thing women compromise on is their self-care and their skincare routine. Instead of applying your skincare products like this, running out of the door, stay with me and you will learn how in under 3 minutes your skincare routine with the morning face massages can completely transform and lift your face and your spirits. Take this up as a 3-minute challenge for 1 week. Take your before and after pictures and tell me you don't see a positive change in your skin after this morning face massage routine. Yes, I do have different face massage routines for myself. The ones for morning and for night are the ones that I indulge in most frequently and for different reasons. I believe that every face needs a completely different face massage routine based on the way your skin is aging. But I am sharing my morning face massage routine because a lot of you have asked me for it, and frankly I feel you may actually benefit from it if your goals are similar to mine. So sometimes I wake up with a little bit of facial puffiness. This can make your whole face look heavy. So my first goal from my face massage in the morning is to depuff my face. Later in the video, I will also tell you why it is important to get rid of your facial puffiness right in the morning instead of letting it settle down on its own during the day. Secondly, I want to boost my blood circulation and get that natural glow going in my skin. So I depend lesser on makeup throughout the day to give me that glow. For this, the products that I use for my morning massage routine are very different from the ones that I use in the evening because the glow is not equal to shine or oily look. And last but not the least, my morning facial massage aids my facial muscle memory. It sculpts and lifts my facial skin as well as the muscles that are attached to my skin from within. Gravity is trying to cause damage every minute, and facial puffiness not only adds that extra weight to your face, but it also drags it down furthermore. Due to either temporary facial puffiness, sinuses, water retention, or excess facial weight gain, your face starts to sag faster. With this morning face massage, you train your face to not only drain out the toxins and lighten your face, but also your facial muscles develop the strength to stay put in their place. Now, facial exercises also play a huge role in training your facial muscles. As a face yoga coach, I can help you better, way better, during my customized one-on-one facial yoga sessions. There are also some packages that I want you to check out in the description below. I'll share more information on this later during the video. My platform is for those who want to find a natural solution to age better with under 5 to 7 minutes facial workout routines versus paying thousands of dollars for invasive procedures. If you can relate to it, then please subscribe to my channel and also become a paying supporting member on my members only exclusive subscription community. This month I'll be doing face yoga routines for saggy runner's face issue for my paying annual supporters. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin our today's face massage routine. Grab your non-greasy facial serum, eye cream and face cream, and let's get ready. Welcome to Blush with me. Today's video is sponsored by Pyunkang, and I'll be using their products from their luxury anti-age black tea line to show you the sequence of massages. Before I start with the massages, let's take a quick look to get to know why this Korean skincare is taking the US by storm. Pyunkang is made with 50 years of know-how of Pyunkang Oriental medicine. The brand is made with minimal ingredients instead of unnecessary ingredients such as fragrances and colors, so it works great for sensitive skin like mine. The products from their newly launched black tea line work harmoniously to nourish and play on your skin's natural strength. They use unique herbal technology using ingredients that are found in nature. Their magical key ingredient being fermented black tea. So yeah, you're literally applying kombucha, which is packed with more than 100 times the powerful antioxidants of vitamin C, due to its fermented qualities. Now, I do a lot of research to understand the ingredients that are going into my skincare. And of course, when I looked it up, I was surprised to see the amazing benefits of fermented black tea kombucha. The use of kombucha over regular black tea is because the fermented enzymes amplify your skin's absorption. The glide in these products is great. Understand that your skin can pull and tug if your products don't have enough glide. Massaging with such products can actually tug and loosen your skin furthermore. From packaging to the experience, everything is very luxurious and rich, but at very competent prices. I'm going to now start with my morning face massages using Pyunkang Yol's Black Lime. If you have seen some of my previous videos, then you know that I wash my face in the morning just with honey, not with a face wash. Because honey doesn't leave your face feeling dry. And the black tea deep infusion toner gives me a very similar feeling. It has more of a gel-like consistency versus any typical toner. So I do not really rub this into my skin. It is more of just a press it into those severely dry spots for about 3 to 5 minutes. I need some help from you. Let me know in the comments below which are the areas of dryness on your face, because every woman has a very different concern when it comes to your facial dryness. So let me know your concern, because your input helps me research more on my upcoming videos. For example, for me it is my mouth area and also my neck. What's yours? The toner does not leave my skin feeling tight like most other toners. It was actually a very unique experience for me to see a toner that has 5 different types of hyaluronic acid and all the other important ingredients that you can see on the screen right now that deliver deep nutrition. Next, you apply your serum. I'm going to use Pyunkang Yol's Black Tea Boosting Serum. Unlike most of the serum, this one actually has a little bit more glide, so I can begin massaging and draining my toxins all at the same time. So let's start with a neck massage with just 1 drop of serum. Massaging my face is step 1 in prepping my face for my deep puffing massage routine. Improve blood and lymphatic circulation. Pump and drain lymphatic fluid in the hollow area right below your ears about 20 times. Gentle upward massage strokes in the middle of your neck helps your neck skin elasticity and lift against gravity. 20 to 30 times rapid tapping for pumping blood and oxygen upwards towards your face. I take yet another drop of serum for my forehead, for my eye areas and cheeks then. Start tapping from your forehead coming down to activate lymphatic drainage. After about 50 taps, perform a deep lymphatic drainage massage with your knuckles, isolating one side of your forehead and performing the massage on the other side to avoid any pulling or tugging. Notice that's how I massage my crow's feet too, while I isolate the outer orbital bone area. Similar outward strokes with knuckles for your brow lift, followed by draining out your fluid in your cheek area around your nose. If you don't sleep well at night, notice how your skin looks tired the next morning. The ginseng fruit extract in the black tea boosting serum really helps the dry and tired skin. Don't forget to knead gently with your knuckles under your cheekbones. Repeat the same massage on the other side of your face. Knuckle massage to lift your cheeks and open up your nasolabial folds and lift your sagging jowls. Massage the periphery of your lips in small circular motion to avoid vertical lip wrinkles. So this serum has a combination of ingredients that provide firming and lifting effect. But when I was reading their reviews, a lot of them mentioned that their skin lightened with its use. It is because of the antioxidants that inhibit skin oxidation that can lead to discoloration and trigger dark spots. So it is expected that when you start to use this serum, you will experience an overall skin brightening in your skin tone and reduction in blemishes too. I would highly suggest that you even use this product around your eyes and around your lips before applying your facial moisturizer or your eye cream. Never forget these smaller areas such as your eyes and your lips when applying a rich serum. If these two areas are both hydrated and moisturized, they will not only plump up the wrinkles in your lips and around your eyes, but also you won't have to depend on reapplying your lip balm over and over again during the day. It is a high concentration and rich formula, but it is not oily. A good serum should not be oily, but when you touch this serum, you will notice that initially it feels kind of sticky, but massage it till it absorbs into your skin without leaving any stickiness. I then apply my black tea time reverse eye cream. Because your eye area tends to experience more dryness or cracking, it can experience appearance of wrinkles around your eyes. With the morning puffiness, it can only get worse and fast. My morning eye massage focuses on two aspects: reducing puffiness and reducing the depth of wrinkles so my makeup stays put all day long and it doesn't settle into those fine lines and wrinkles. The black tea time reverse eye cream has ceramide ingredients and 3 hyaluronic acid ingredients that deliver moisture deep into your skin. They minimize moisture loss in your skin around your eyes. Gently massage the eye cream on your lower and upper lids and follow this 4-step eye massage to lift and tighten your eye muscles. Isolate orbital bone and massage crow's feet again upward for 5 counts. Then hold your crow's feet down between your fingers to avoid tugging your upper lid and gently massage your upper lid inward towards the center of your brows. After 5 strokes, lift your brow up and massage your brow outward between your index finger and middle finger. Now again for 5 counts, and now hold the complete eyebrow and your upper lid area between your fingers and massage your inner eyelid with diagonal strokes. Perform the same on the other side. Mulberry extract is a brightening ingredient in it that is safe for a lot of people who experience skin irritation around your eyes from most eye creams. So if you have sensitive skin, then this eye cream could be very helpful. So no stickiness, check. And lastly, I finish up with a rich moisturizer that guarantees to not start looking oily after the first couple of hours. Pyunkang's Black Tea Enriched Cream provides rich nutrition and elasticity improvement to your skin that has either lost vitality, and it's actually even great if you want to maintain your skin's elasticity. So you don't need to start using it after you start noticing your signs of aging. Please consider investing in excellent skincare products for aging better. Those who are already in your 40s like me would agree that after 35 or 40, your skin changes rapidly. Prevention techniques are always more effective than reversing techniques. Tap a rich moisturizer all across your face. Open up your nasolabial folds and massage the heaviest part of your cheeks in diagonal upward strokes. Massage droopy lip corners while holding that side of the cheek firmly between your fingers so there is no pulling or tugging. End with more lymphatic drainage massage strokes and face tapping. The ingredients in this cream absorb to the dermis layer of your skin, and the massage only helps to deliver this nutrition to the deeper layers of your skin so that your skin remains strong from the inside. Notice that when I massage, there are no rapid or harsh movements. I always isolate a facial area and massage the deep wrinkle areas in small rotations without tugging the skin, and then stroke it out either in outward or upward motions. All the products in this line help promote skin elasticity, brightening and wrinkle lifting throughout the day. If you include the right massage techniques with these products, you can make sure that you get additional benefits such as products penetrate deeper into your skin and you can physically give your skin a better lift. Within weeks, you will start to see much better results. If you're ready to take this 3-minute challenge for 1 week or even for 1 month with me, then I will be sharing my before and after skin pictures on my subscription platform. And if you are my supporting member, then you too can share your pictures on this platform so I can review them myself. If you eat foods with preservatives and sodium, you will land up waking up with facial puffiness. You'll notice chapped lips, water retention in your face, and there are just so many side effects that I can either discuss in another video or I may have already discussed it on my subscription platform. It is linked below. You too can become a supporting member and get access to content and live streams with me that you cannot get anywhere else. There's always something new and exclusive for my paying and supporting members on this platform. So do consider joining and investing in your own self-care. Ta-da! I just launched my forehead package, your face yoga for your upper half of the face. You can check out all my facial yoga packages along with this new facial yoga package, which is designed just for your forehead aging. All of these are linked below, and my website is where you can reach out to work with me one-on-one. Do check out all my social media handles and follow me there because there's always something new happening. There's always something new to learn with Blush with me, Parmita. I look forward to your positive, encouraging comments, your questions and your requests in the comment section below. You will see me next week with yet another video that can help you become a better version of yourself. Until then, blush with me.